What's up, fam? Antonio here, bringing you the heat on your feet and in the kitchen. You know it. Right now, I'm at my crib right now, at the Crib's Kitchen, man. Bringing it into my own home, y'all. But yo, check me out on YouTube, on Instagram, and on TikTok, _sneakerhead_chef. I got a special video for y'all today. I know y'all been waiting for it, y'all. We are cutting down the Cactus Plant Flea Market, Flea 1 overgrowns, okay? Let's get after it. Yo, so first, I want to break down this shoe to you. It's very unique shoe. I think it's the most unique shoe Nike's ever came out with, to be honest with you, y'all. So this is the box here. I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you as well, too. This box says add sunshine onto it. Cactus Plant Flea Market overgrown. What's amazing about this shoe, y'all, not the fact that the obvious, we're overgrown here. Also, we got two different colorways as well, too. We have a darker version over here and lighter version over here as well, too. But it comes with a dust bag for you, for your shoes. That's pretty amazing. We have these laces here, kind of these vining, poison ivy-like laces right here. And then we got these bad boys. Green, bam. And got the light green joints right here as well too. And yo, the most amazing thing right here, got the Nike swooshers to go on every single shoe once I get done cutting these bad boys down. So check it out, y'all. I want to break down some details on the shoe that I really love and truly make these shoes unique as well too. We have two different soles on these shoes, as you can see. Wipe this away a little bit. We have our kind of our dirt potted soil bottom right here, as you can see very closely. And then over here we have our cement sole over here too. It makes the shoe pretty unique as well too. We also on every single on every tongue on the shoe as well, we have a little small pocket as well. Keep your change in, you know, extra dollars in, you know, right here for you. That's on every single shoe. It makes the shoe very unique. We have the heat map. There you go. Inside of here, the heat map sole inside of here as well too. We got our loop here. We have the same things on the dust bag. We have the yin yang symbol, CPFM. One of their sub logos they use is this. We also have a small swoosh over here that you can't see that well until we kind of cut these bad boys down a little bit. We have that as well too. Very unique shoe, y'all. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut down only one of them. Keep a unique style. You know, I really like this this overgrown style right here. But I'm gonna cut only one shoe. I'm gonna cut the right shoe, cut that bad boy, and keep this one full. And see how it looks on foot. And we'll kind of go from there. Peace. Yo, and there you have it, folks. This is it, y'all. This is a look, y'all, with the overgrown, shaved down. I'm only doing one of them right, like I said at the beginning of the video. I'm only doing one shoe right now because I really love this look as well too. Yo, but this is all that came out of these bad boys. I'm gonna take one of these Nike symbols and these swooshes, and throw it probably right here on the sides. What I'm seeing a lot is kind of going over let me see here, taking these and going over the soles a little bit as well too. So I'm probably gonna take rubber cement and kind of wrap them around right about right there underneath the yin yang symbol. So kind of something like that I'm gonna rock with eventually with these shoes. I haven't done that quite yet, determine how I'm gonna figure out how to do that, but yo, pretty dope shoe. Pretty dope shoe. Let me get this mess cleaned up, y'all, and get right back to y'all and show how it looks on foot, okay? See you soon. Yo, y'all, so this is it, y'all. Let me know y'all think about this, y'all. Loving it. I'm loving it so far. I'm still not sold on cutting both of them down. I like this look over here. Whatever, it's mismatched, but I love the style of it. You know what I mean? It's messy, it's loud. I love it, yo. But this bad boy is cut down. More conservative look, you know what I mean, if you ask me. But, yo, dope shoe, though. Really dope shoe. I'm going to throw these swish on here. Next week or so, I think I'm going to throw those on, do a video about that as well, too. But let me know what you think, y'all. Drop a note in the comments, or a message in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about it, yo. Yo, so this is it, y'all. This is it cut down, yo. The Cactus Plant Flea Market, Flea 1, cut down. The overgrown is cut down now. Shaved it down pretty even. I could do a little better in different areas, yo, but I'll get the next one a little better than this one. But y'all, let me know what you think about it. Drop a message in the comments for me. Let me know what y'all think. Yo, subscribe to the channel, y'all. It's brand new. I know it. Not many followers yet, but yo, it's gonna be big one day. So jump on, subscribe, send me some messages, ask me some questions about some recipes, about the shoes, whatever you want to ask about. I'll be willing to answer that for you, yo. So check it out. I'm gonna drop some on foot real quick, and then we'll kind of go from there, y'all. See you soon.